Yes, come on. I am sharing the screen. So I'm going to give a worksheet to you. You are going to do it in 15 minutes. Okay, within 15 minutes, you must ready with your answer. I'm going to ask. Okay? Now, I'm going to unmute each one of you. Please don't write your answer in the chat box. I'm going to unmute each one of you after 15 minutes. Be ready. Okay? Kazim, ready? Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Come on. Here is my screen and I'm going to write some question over here. So first I will draw a line. I'll make a part. Here I will draw a line. Not here. Come on. Start your work. Come on. Start your work now. First question on integers. You have to understand whether the question is about addition, subtraction or multiplication and division. You need to understand and you need to answer it. Okay? So after 15 minutes, I am going to unmute you people. Be ready to answer. Yes, everybody started. Heather, sub, come on. I unmute all क्योंकि आज strength बहुत कम है तो I can unmute. Please don't talk waste things. ठीक है?
First one is 27.
Yeah? नहीं, don't answer.
27.
कौन है ये बोलने वाला? Heather, that's why I always mute you because I did not ask you the answers. I will unmute after 15 minutes. I said. ठीक है? Otherwise, I mute all. What I plan, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. But बीच में फिर दूसरों को disturb होता. Please, Saif, start your camera. And Zahra Fatima, आप भी start करिए बेटा. Mehdi Zainab. Otherwise, I will put you in the waiting room. I am telling you. Come on, these are the questions for you. Then Avali? Yes, you
ma'am.
started. You started.
Yes,
You able to do all right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, no, ठीक है. I will ask you after 15 minutes. Be ready. It's 11 to 18 in my system. So you take it as 11:20. I'm going to ask you after 11:20 बोले तो 15 minutes. कितना हुआ? 11:35. ठीक है? I'm going to ask you at 11:35. Be ready to answer. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay, bye. चलो जल्दी करो. First you complete this section, then फिर again you start this. I'll give time for this separately. Simultaneously we will do. Come on, start your work. I want all these answer by 11 कितने बजे? 11:30 11:40 तक दे दो. 10 minutes we will discuss. 11:50 तक discuss करेंगे. Somebody chat. Ma'am finished. Sirat. Okay, Sirat. चलो ये दो भी कर लो और. Whoever finished can message me so that I come to know कि कितने जने कर लिए. Sirat, you finished the multiplication and division of big numbers. Mehdi Zainab also finished. Mehdi Zainab, you started the camera. Please start the camera. It's 11:23 now. Mehdi, Zainab and Sirat finished the multiplication and division as well. साइड में जो है वो भी कंप्लीट करना है. ओके Yes, Sufyan, come on. Because just now you joined. So please complete this by 11:40. Everyone. Ma'am, one bit over. Okay, one bit over. Saif Hussain ka. Sirat, multiplication and division also finished. Good job. Ma'am, two bit. First, second. Okay, come on. Jaldi, jaldi kariye. I want all the questions. Hey, first side ke 7 questions and other side you will be having 2 questions. So complete it. Lately he joined. Ghazi Abbas अब join कर रहा है. Very bad. सीरत finished. इंसिया का भी चल रहा काम. सुफियान के पास कैमरा तो कभी आएगा नहीं. मेहदी, please start your camera. हुजैफा, complete the task. I am going to unmute after 11:40. Zahra, अगर next time off होगा तो I will put you in the waiting room. I am telling you. Okay, Mehdi, Zainab, please start your camera. Otherwise, I will put you in waiting room. Yes.
मैम फोन चार्जिंग पे है मैम.
नहीं, don't tell me daily these things. Charge करके बैठिए आप. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself. हुजैफा, डेली याद दिलाना है. You have to switch on your camera बोलकर. सुफियान, कुछ कैमरे का करके आइए आप. Ghazi, you start your camera. Ghazi, you have to finish this work by 11:40. It's 11:30 now. Ma'am, so long answers is coming. Ya Allah. Other side you have to you will get so long answers only because it's a multiplication of big numbers. Okay. Come on, Ghazi. Start your work. So don't be late to the class. Otherwise, you're unable to finish your task. One of the girl has finished. Come on. It's 11:30. My session will going to stop at 11:40. So please, I have to recall the meeting. So what should I do? How much time you take? Wait, I'm coming back. ये कैसे आएंगे फिर? Save the screen. Okay, come on. Come on. Chalo. Please copy the questions. Zainab Ali finished? Okay, I have ma'am for ma'am over. Ali Akbar हो गया. Second question is so long. Yes, ma'am finished. And everybody is finished. Okay. Here, I'm going to stop the sharing and I'm going to record the meeting. So rejoin, please. Okay, everyone, please thumbs up if you understand. Okay, fine then. फिर से आ जाइए. Here 11 participants are there, including me. That means 10 students are in my class. I want all the 10 to come back. समझ में आया? Come on. I stop the sharing, then I end the meeting so that I can discuss the answer. Okay, I end the meeting. Come on.